Alright, I'm recording for YouTube. Hey guys, it's Nate here.
Turn the light on, baby.
And I'm helping Mom wash clothes. This is a washer from 1998, you said?
95, I think.
And it will wash with the thing
It's
open.
mechanical or analog, not digital. Okay?
The screen's blurry.
Well, I don't know. It can't focus because it's moving. I don't have that good a phone. But you see, you can watch the clothes. You see how they get sucked down? That's part of the cleaning process. You see how dirty the water is?
Don't stick your hand in an open washer or you will get sucked in and die.
Well, not while it's moving, but this washer, if you push the knob in, see, reach over there and push the knob in, the big knob. Push it in. It stops. Now pull it out.
And it just resumes?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
The new washers, I hate them. They got the lid locks and they got a stupid little button and you gotta mash it 900 times to try and unlock it.
I like this washer. This is the...
These old washers clean better than the new washers.
They're the new and improved.
No, they're the new and unimproved. But see, look. It has a timer in it. It's mechanical. It can be replaced if it goes out. But you see this? See how this little arrow has already moved off the 18 up? See where it says heavy? See where it says regular? It also has hand washables and delicates and permanent press, which I don't know that anybody ever uses it. But delicates and hand wash, it's more gentle.
Are you okay with your hand?
Well, I need to paint my nails or something. They're pretty horrible looking.
And your voice.
But anyway, this time, see the timer's already moved up again? Where's the point of the arrow? See? And it's going to continue all the way around. Okay? And then it's going to stop and it's going to water out. Okay?
Where does all that water go?
And it's going to spin.
Like crazy?
Yeah, look, you see that? That's called an outlet box.
This black thing?
You see the black thing in the middle? It's a drain hose. It's attached to the washer. We didn't have one like this before, but the contractor put this in, and Brenda's not real happy about it. They messed up my plumbing, but well, maybe not messed it up. I like the old plumbing better. But there was no way to put an outlet box in here without replumbing it. I like the old one better because we had things in the pipe, the cold water pipe, and the washer hose attached directly to the pipe. And then down at the bottom, there was what they call a stand pipe, where the discharge hose went in, feeds into the sewer pipe.
My phone's at 16%, just above battery saving.
All right, go plug it in. But see, it'll stop, it'll drain, it'll spin.
Hold up.
It'll fill back up water again. Okay? Cold. That's why it says warm on the top and cold on the bottom. The really old washers, you could wash and rinse in hot or warm. They won't do that anymore. Okay? It'll fill back up with water. It'll agitate. It'll drain all the water out. It'll spin. And then it'll go to off. And you can take the clothes out and put them in the dryer.
Alright guys, you wait here. I'm going to get an extension cord.
Son, turn that off if you're not.
Leave it alone.
You sure?
Ever since I've been recording YouTube ever since 2016, I think, or yeah, 2016 after the flood.
Yeah. Too bad you didn't record the flood, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my arms are so long though. Got like 5-foot arms.
No, you don't.
Well, my foot is 12 inches. My foot is a foot long.
Did you measure it?
No.
Well, I don't know there's 12 inches. I know you had pretty much no chance of not having a big foot.
But my feet are... I measured my shoes. They're 12 inches long. Alright. I'm a genius. Phone's that way. 16%. Once it hits 15, goes into battery saving mode. It's haywire. Oh look, it focused. You'd think that it would go everywhere and get in your eyeballs, but no. This is the world's best washer. Washing clothes. They say that everything's new and improved. No. This washer is from 1995 and it's the best washer in the whole world, basically. The best washer in the neighborhood. Dougie!